Hey everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat Ultimate. I think it's Sport because it's got no chrome on it. Good looking truck. It's leveled on 285 BFGs. Those are almost new. Got the Raptor imitation grille in it. Black on black, heated and cooled leather. Has the big moonroof in it. Sony audio from factory navigation, heated and cooled seats up front, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, remote starter, push button start, you name it. Just a really nice clean truck. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. 5.5 foot box, LEDs, rear slider. We got warranty on it. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. You can upgrade it very reasonably. Tow package, backup package, our trailer part package, which is a cool thing. You can control out that little knob. Truck's super clean. I put a couple hundred miles on it myself. Passed inspection of flying colors. Just did an oil change on it. Yeah, you can't go wrong. It is beautiful. It has the look. Whatever it is, this truck has it. When I saw it, I had to have it. You will too. See it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Oh, got the EcoBoost in it. How could I forget? AutoramaAuto.com.